大溫貿易局今日舉行論壇，討論關稅影響之下，將導致本地建築成本上升，進一步加劇房屋供應不足同負擔嘅問題。房屋廳長就表示，省府正係尋找新嘅合作夥伴，亦都將會推出措施去吸引外國投資建造租賃房屋。呂永山嘅報導。
全球關稅貿易戰升級，卑詩房屋及城鎮事務廳長柯爾倫今日出席大灣貿易局論壇回應相關憂慮時指出，依家卑詩省有40%至60%嘅建築材料嚟自美國，亦都有唔少嚟自中國。省府會喺未來6個月內專注揾唔同嘅合作夥伴去應對關稅危機。
Now there are other partners in the world that produce building supplies that we can partner with and we can, strengthen our relationships with, and that's the work we're doing, but that takes time.
被問到會唔會檢討依家嘅政策，以引入外國資本進入房屋市場，佢指出正考慮一系列嘅措施，特別係吸引外國資本投資建造租賃房屋，並已喺大方向上同聯邦政府達成共識。
We are open to looking at that question. We are actively looking at it in the purposeful rental space in particular. And when we have something concrete, we'll be making that available to the public, but it's still going to be a couple of months from now.
至於點樣可以令到房價降至市民可以負擔嘅水平，卑詩地產協會就指出，除非能夠喺短時間內大幅增加房屋供應，否則好困難。
Unfortunately, because we kind of ignored the supply side for a really long time, it's a really hard problem to solve. And one of the biggest problems in real estate is matching supply and demand in a timely fashion. Demand can change overnight, as we've seen, and supply can take up to a decade, right?
新時代電視呂永山報導。